Greetings human beings. Transition number 1, the Luma Fade. Once you hop into Premiere Pro, you're going to get your 2 clips, you're going to get your second clip, and you're going to drag it onto the second layer. Pull it over so it overlaps your first clip by a couple of frames. Then you're going to want to go to the effects panel and type in Luma Key. Once you've got Luma Key, drag it onto your second clip. And then you're going to want to head into the effects panel at the top here. Hit the keyframe button, drag it along a couple of frames, hit the keyframe button again and change it to a 0% so that you got a nice fade going. Transition number 2, brightness transition. You're going to get 2 clips again. There you want to do the transition. This time you're going to drag the first clip up, pull it across on top of the other clip by a couple of frames. Change the opacity and bring it down so it fades nicely from the first clip into the second clip. You can also change the opacity up here in the effects panel with keyframes. You're then going to want to go to the effects panel and type in brightness and contrast. Once you've got brightness and contrast, drag it onto your second clip. Hit the brightness keyframe, type in 100% at the start of your clip, drag it along a couple of frames and hit that keyframe button again, change it to 0%. So you got a nice transition from the bright where the sun comes through and to the next clip. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I am starting this new series called 99 Seconds with Nico. Essentially, it is a series where I can create stuff within a 99-second period. It's to challenge me creatively. It's to basically give myself an objective to create consistent content, and for that I'm giving myself 99 seconds for some reason. Maybe because I'm trying to figure it out myself. That's going to range from tutorials, that's going to range from entertainment, that's going to range from me doing stupid stuff, maybe even slapping chickens with, oh no, don't say that. Slapping things, I'm vegan, what? ADHD kicking in. The content will be varied, but it's going to basically be until I make until I get bored of it. Yeah, so expect to see more videos out of dumb stuff and my stupid face. So great, yeah. If you enjoyed this video today, guys, please consider subscribing. Please like it if you liked it. If you didn't like it, please leave me a little hate comment. I will read it later and cry. And yeah, have a great day. Lots of love.